pointing right at you.
Is it a dud? Fail number 1. I'm scared if I walk to it, it's gonna blow up.
Let's throw something at it. Damn it.
Get away from that, Brian. Brian, get away.
Fail.
Watch out, Brian. Get out of the way. Watch out, watch out.
Fail.
Well, let's see if it sells a fuse on it.
Hang on. Stop.
There's still a fuse on it.
Watch out, watch out.
Wait.
She's supposed to chicken, John.
Hey, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me.
It's gonna blow up in your all's face and I'm gonna laugh.
You're gonna be a little bitch and run away.
Just set the apple on fire.
So just place it.
Screw that. Pop yourself. If it fuses like that, it's fine.